we will continue now. As I said, Arjuna from Pandavas and Duryodhana from Kauravas went to Dwaraka to talk to Krishna. Krishna was asleep when Arjuna reached his palace. When Arjuna reached Krishna palace, so Krishna was sleeping at that time. He saw that Duryodhana was already there and had seated himself at the head of Krishna's bed. What the Arjuna saw, that the Duryodhana was already there and he was seated himself at the head of Krishna's bed. Arjuna took a seat at the foot of the bed. Where Arjuna sat, Arjuna sat at the foot of the bed. When Krishna woke up, it was Arjuna he saw first. Whom the Krishna saw first? Krishna saw Arjuna first. As he greeted Arjuna, Duryodhana drew Krishna's attention towards himself and said that he had come first. When Krishna saw Arjuna, he greeted Arjuna, but Duryodhana drew Krishna's attention towards himself and said that I came first. Krishna said, since I saw Arjuna first, he will have the privilege of presenting his case first. What the Krishna said? The Krishna said that I saw Arjuna first. So Arjuna will present his case first. By the war, I already know why the two of you have come. So what the Krishna say, that I know why you both have came here. Both of you want me to join. Both of you want me to join you. Both of you want me to join you in a war. What the Krishna say, that I know that why you have came here, and you both of you want me to join in your war. But I am a man of peace. What the Krishna say? But I am a man of peace. Even if I agree to be a part of war, I will not lift a single weapon. What Krishna say? That I am a man of peace. Even if I agree to be a part of a war, I will not lift a single weapon. So you decide. Do you want me or my mighty army of Narayani Sena? So what Krishna says, that you decide that you want me or my mighty army. The name of the army is Narayani Sena. You want my army or me? So Arjuna, what would you choose? So what Krishna asked? Krishna asked Arjuna, what would you choose? Arjuna, without a second thought, choose his long time friend Krishna. What Arjuna does? Arjuna did not go for a second thought. He chose his friend Krishna. The mighty Narayani Sena went to Duryodhana. So when Arjuna chooses Krishna, so what the Duryodhana get? The Duryodhana get the Narayani Sena, the mighty army of Krishna goes to Duryodhana, who was not unhappy either. But the Duryodhana was not unhappy. After all, he thought it is better to have strength in number in wars. What the Duryodhana thought? That it is better to have strength in number in war. So from this story, what we have understood from this story, wasn't it clever of Krishna to have pleased both the sides the way he did? It is a clever of Krishna to have pleased with both the sides. Yes. How did he manage to do that? How did Krishna manage to do that? The answer is by being democratic. Krishna could have directly said, I want to take the side of Pandavas because they are my long-time friend. Yes. As the cleverness of Krishna, The cleverness of Krishna pleased both sides, and that he managed to do that by being democratic. Krishna would have directly said that I want to take side of Pandavas because they are my long time friend, but he did not do that. He did not do so. He was democratic in the way he gave Arjuna and Duryodhana the freedom to choose. As Krishna has given Arjuna and Duryodhana freedom to choose the options what Krishna has given, it was also extremely democratic of him to offer the Narayani Sena as an alternative to himself. It was also democratic that he offered Narayani Sena instead of him to come. That way even Duryodhana was not left disappointed. As Arjuna chooses Krishna to join Pandavas, but there was an option for Duryodhana to get the mighty army, as he was not left disappointed. A democratic decision is not partial to any one person. A democratic decision is not partial to any one person or group of people. It tries to satisfy the majority and avoids disappointment. What the democratic decision do? It try to satisfy the majority and avoid disappointment. One needs to be impartial in order to be democratic. A person who is a ruler, who is a master, needs to be impartial in order to be a democratic. One also need to put aside one's personal likes and dislikes while taking a democratic decision. One person who is a ruler, who is a master over there, he should put his likes and dislikes aside in taking a democratic decision. A person who is taking a decision, he should put his likes and dislikes aside. A democratic decision requires a close understanding of what the majority wants or dislikes. So a democratic decision should be like that what the majority of people require, and it should be the decision should be decision should be close understanding of the majority, what they wants and what they likes and what they dislikes. So from this story what we have understood, that we should be always democratic, and every people should get their rights, equal rights, and we should when we are taking a democratic decision, our likes and dislikes should be kept aside. So hope you all have understood. Here is a bubble. It is good to know. The opposite of democracy is autocracy. India is a democratic republic. India is a democratic republic country. This means that everybody above the age of 18 has a right to vote and elect the leaders of the country. You should always understand that India is a democratic and republic country. This means that everybody above the age of 18, everybody have a right to vote and elect the leaders of a country. Every eligible person have a rights to vote and elect the leaders of the country. So student, hope you all have understood. Next is the activity over here. Read the situation given below. Here some situations are given and decision 1, decision 2 and decision 3. You have to write a 3 decision. Write down the 3 democratic decision that you can take in this situation. Here a situation is given, you have to read and you have to write the decision, 3 democratic decision for this situation. This is the homework part for you. Complete it. Now we go to the next page, workout page. Can you solve this democracy crossword? You have read these words in the chapter. Here some crosswords are given. By reading the fill-ups, you have to fill the crosswords. So you have to do the crossword